Making Money with Cryptocurrencies in 2023, Your Ultimate Guide. Welcome to the future, where cryptocurrencies are not just digital assets but a revolutionary investment opportunity. Today, we'll guide you on making money with cryptocurrencies in 2023. Cryptocurrencies have changed the financial landscape, and making money with them is not as complicated as you might think. It's about understanding the market and taking calculated risks. Firstly, understanding blockchain technology is vital. This decentralized ledger system is the backbone of all cryptocurrencies, ensuring safety and transparency. Next, you need to understand the cryptocurrency market. Knowing when prices are low or high will affect your buying or selling decisions, leading to potential profits. Now, let's delve into the methods to make money with cryptocurrencies. The first is buying and holding. This strategy involves purchasing a crypto asset and holding onto it in anticipation of price appreciation. Day trading is another method. It is short-term trading where you buy crypto at a low price and sell when the price rises within a day. It requires understanding market trends and staying updated with crypto news. Crypto mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. It can be profitable, but it requires significant computational power and energy consumption. Staking is quite popular. Here, you hold onto a cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the network's operations, and in return, you earn additional coins. Crypto lending is where you lend your crypto assets to others for a defined period at pre-agreed interest rates. It's a great way to earn passive income. Crypto faucets are websites that reward users with small amounts of cryptocurrency for completing simple tasks. They're perfect for beginners looking to acquire crypto without investing. Airdrops are another way to earn crypto. Companies distribute free tokens to holders of their existing tokens to promote their product or service. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, and initial exchange offerings, IEOs, are fundraising methods for blockchain projects. Participation can result in substantial returns, but they also come with significant risk. Cryptocurrency arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences between different exchanges. It requires significant knowledge about the market and quick action. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting crypto products or services. Many crypto companies run affiliate programs that can generate substantial income. Lastly, you can earn crypto by accepting it as a form of payment for your goods or services. Remember that investing in cryptocurrency is not without risks. The market is highly volatile, and prices can change rapidly. Always research before investing. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world. Understand the project, its use case, team, and market conditions before investing. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The high volatility of the crypto market means that losses can be significant. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different cryptocurrencies to spread the risk. Use secure wallets to store your crypto assets. Hardware wallets are the safest as they keep your assets offline, reducing the risk of hacking. Stay updated with crypto news and trends. The more informed you are, the better your investment decisions will be. Be patient. Earning significant profits from crypto investments takes time. Don't rush to sell off your assets at the first sign of profit. Consider taking an online course or attending a seminar to increase your knowledge about cryptocurrency investment. Stay away from scams. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your due diligence. Keep track of your investments regularly. Use a crypto portfolio tracker to monitor your earnings and losses. Lastly, always pay your taxes. Many countries require you to report your cryptocurrency earnings and pay taxes on them. In conclusion, making money with cryptocurrencies in 2023 is a fascinating journey. It offers numerous opportunities but also comes with significant risks. With proper knowledge, understanding, and caution, you can potentially make substantial profits. That's all for today's guide. Remember, the key to successful crypto investing is learning, patience, and smart decision making. Happy investing in 2023. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content about cryptocurrencies.